Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain you about the role of heart and blood vessels in human circulatory system. Come, let's get into the video without delaying. Today we learn about blood vessels and heart. In blood vessels, arteries, veins, capillary. In heart, types of valves, circulation in human body and heartbeat. Now we learn in detail about blood vessels. What are blood vessels? Mainly, these are tubes or channels that carry blood throughout our body. The three different types of blood vessels are veins, arteries and capillary. Each one of them they differ with size and structure. Now let's learn what is artery, capillary, vein in detail. These arteries are the blood vessels that carry blood from the heart to various parts of the body. All arteries carries oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood in the sense oxygen-rich blood. They have a thick, elastic and muscular walls. The blood in the arteries flow very rapidly with its high pressure because of the pressure exerted by the pumping of the heart. They lie deeply under the skin, so they cannot be seen easily through our naked eyes. The largest artery in the body is aorta and the smallest artery is arteriole. Now let us learn about veins. Veins are the blood vessels that carry blood from the various parts of the body to the heart. In case of arteries, arteries transport blood from the heart to the various parts of the body. There is a difference between arteries and the veins. All veins carries deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood in the sense carbon dioxide rich blood. They have a thin, less elastic and muscular walls. The blood in the veins flows smoothly with a low pressure. They lie superficially under the skin. The largest vein in the body is superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. The smallest vein in the body is venule. Now let us study about the capillaries. They are the extremely thin blood vessels that connect arteries to the veins are called as capillaries. The walls of capillaries are extremely thin. Useful substances like food and oxygen present in blood enter the body cells through the capillaries. At the same time, waste products like carbon dioxide formed in the blood cells enter the blood through capillaries. Now, let us learn about what is the difference between arteries and veins. As I previously said, arteries carries blood from the heart to various body parts and the veins carry blood from the various body parts to the heart. Arteries carries oxygen-rich blood except pulmonary artery. The veins carries carbon dioxide-rich blood except pulmonary vein. In case of arteries, blood flows at high speed under high pressure, but in case of veins, blood flows at low speed under the low pressure. In arteries, walls are thick and elastic, but in veins, walls are thin and less elastic. In arteries, valves are absent, but in veins, valves are present. Arteries are deeply placed, veins are superficially placed. Comment me if you know why arteries are red and veins are blue. Each type of blood vessel has a unique role in their circulatory system. In arteries, as we know, it carries blood away from the heart. In capillary, it assists in the exchange of substance between the blood and tissue. In veins, it carries blood back towards the heart. Now let us study the topic of heart. Basically, we know that heart pumps blood and it circulates around the body. Heart consists of a fourth chamber, two atria, that is upper chamber, and two ventricles. These are the lower chamber of heart. The above arrow indicates right atrium and left atrium. Below that they are indicating right ventricle and left ventricles. Let's examine how blood flows through the heart. Firstly, the right atrium takes the blood inside carrying carbon dioxide. Second step, it squeezes down blood into the right ventricle and taken it back to the lung where oxygen replaces carbon dioxide. Oxygen carrying blood from the lungs enters the left atrium where the blood is squeezed inside the left ventricle and it circulates throughout the body. This is how the circulation takes place in the human body. The average heartbeat in an adult person is 72 to 80 per minute. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. The more informative video will be in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.